Behind every reliable commercial vehicle stands not only a world-class manufacturer, but also a strong and professional service network. As the official SINOTRUK service network distributor, CBC-TRANS continues to expand a nationwide network of authorized service centers and branded stores supplying genuine HOWO and SITRAK spare parts. Our mission is simple: to provide every customer with reliable service, genuine spare parts, and professional technical support.
People are the foundation of our success. That is why we invest heavily in training. At our modern training center, mechanics, warranty engineers, service advisors, and spare parts specialists receive regular technical education based on SINOTRUK manufacturer standards, ensuring every repair is performed professionally and efficiently. When a vehicle arrives at an authorized service center, a qualified mechanic performs a complete diagnosis and identifies the components requiring replacement. A spare parts specialist then uses the SINOTRUK electronic parts catalog to quickly identify the correct part numbers, provide accurate pricing, and inform the customer about parts availability and delivery times. The electronic catalog significantly reduces repair time, while ensuring every genuine part perfectly matches the customer's HOWO or SITRAK vehicle.
Supporting this entire process is the SINOTRUK Central Spare Parts Warehouse, managed by CBC-TRANS. With a comprehensive inventory of genuine components, the warehouse ensures fast and reliable deliveries to authorized service partners throughout Kazakhstan. To make our services even more accessible, we have launched the official website, howo-service.kz. Here, customers can locate the nearest authorized service center or branded spare parts store, browse electronic spare parts and lubricant catalogs, and contact our technical support hotline for professional assistance in selecting the correct parts.
CBC-TRANS, Kazakhstan's market leader in commercial vehicle service, developing the SINOTRUK service infrastructure and helping keep HOWO and SITRAK vehicles moving every day.